Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account for your SafePal wallet. So let's get started right away. Once you download and install the SafePal wallet, simply go ahead and open it up and then tap on I have read and accepted the terms of use and then tap on Get Started. You will then be allowed to create a security password for your SafePal application. Just type in your password and then type it in once again to confirm it. You will then be able to set your fingerprint. After setting up both of these, you can simply tap on Start SafePal Journey, and now you can select from a software or a hardware wallet. Just select whichever is applicable to you, and then you will find an option to create a new wallet. Simply tap on it, and now you will be asked to enter your security password. After typing in your password, you can simply enter the name for your wallet. Type in your name and tap on Continue, and now your wallet will be created. You will then be asked to back up your mnemonic phrase. You can either back it up to your Google Drive by tapping on Backup to Google Drive, or you can back it up manually by tapping on Backup Manually. Simply choose whichever option is best for you and then tap on the next button. Just check all of the agreements box and then tap on Start Backup, and now this will back up your password to your Google account. Just go ahead and select the account that you want to save your password to and then tap on the Continue button. Now your mnemonic phrase will be backed up to your Google account, and you can tap on Start Using Wallet to start using your newly created SafePal wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on SafePal. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.